Learn how to send money across borders with ease and confidence with Taptap Send. First, download the Taptap Send app from your phone's app store. Make sure you're getting the official app to avoid counterfeit versions after downloading. Open the app. Next, on the home screen, you'll be asked to select the country where you want to send money. To carefully tap the country from the list that matches your recipient's location. Now, you'll need to enter the amount of money you wish to send. The app will then calculate the equivalent in the receiving currency. Double-check the amount to make certain you are sending the right figure. The app will then let you select how your recipient will receive the funds. Common options include sending directly to a bank account or a mobile money wallet. Select whichever option is best for your recipient. Now it's a matter of providing the recipient's details. This will vary depending upon how they get the money. You'll typically need things like their full name, bank account number, and bank name. Make sure the information is correct. Next, select the payment method. Taptap Send usually lets you pay with a debit or credit card. Choose which option is most convenient for you. Before sending, review all the details, including the amounts and recipient information. Confirm everything is correct, then hit the send button. Finally, you'll see a confirmation that your transfer has been sent. Taptap Send will then usually give you a transaction tracking number so you can inform and track with your recipient. It's that easy. #TaptapSend English #money transfer tips.